Good morning, Year 5. So today we are going to be continuing with our learning of angles and how to find missing angles. And in particular, we're going to be looking at finding missing angles in triangles. Now, the two different triangles that we're going to be looking at today are scalene triangles. Now, a scalene triangles has three different angle measurements. All three are different. The next one we're going to be looking at is our right angle triangle. And we know it's a right angle because we have this little square down in the corner, which tells us that's a right angle. Now, we know that a right angle is always 90 degrees. Never any more, never any less. Okay, let's have a look at today's STEM. So, an angle in a triangle always adds up to 180 degrees. It doesn't matter what type of triangle it is, it will always add up to an equal 180 degrees. So let's have a look then at our first triangle. Start off with a scalene triangle. So here we are, this is our scalene triangle. We have got two known angles and one unknown angle. So this unknown angle we label x, as we don't know what it is, and our task is to find out the value of x, how much x is. So the first thing I'm going to do, just like we've always been doing this week, is we're going to add 50 and 70 together, because that will tell us what these two added together are. So 0, 12. Okay, now that I've calculated that these two together add up to 120, I can use this knowledge, this fact, to work out what our missing angle is by subtracting by 180. Now it's 180 because angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. So 180 degrees, subtract 120 degrees, 0, 6, 0. So 180 subtract 120 equals 60. That means that this angle here is 60 degrees. Our x, our unknown, is actually 60 degrees. Okay, let's have a look then at another scaling just to repeat and to practice. Here we have another scalene triangle. We have our two known angles, which is 85 and 30, and our unknown, and we're looking to calculate and find the value of our unknown, our x. So just like we did in the last one, we're going to add our two knowns together. So 85 and 30, 8 and 3 is 1. Okay, so our two known angles together add up to 115, and we're going to use our knowledge of triangles, our 180 degrees, and subtract 115 from it. So 0 take away 5 we cannot do, so we need to exchange. Okay, so we've managed to calculate that our missing angle, our x, this one here, is actually 65 degrees. So our x is 65 degrees. Okay, final one. We're going to be looking now just very quickly at a right angle. Now, right back at the beginning, I gave you one important fact about right angle triangles. We know it's a right angle because of our square here. So what does that square mean? It means that this is 90 degrees. It's never any more, it's never any less, it is 90. So now we've managed to work out our 90 degrees. We've got 90 degrees and 50 degrees. These are our two knowns. Let's add them together. So 90 and 50 is 140. Let's use this and take it away from 180, our total amount of degrees. Okay. Sorry about that. So 180 subtract 140 is 40. So this is our 50, this is our 90, our unknown is 40 degrees. Our x is 40 degrees. So before you start your work, just want you to have a quick reminder of this. Our angles in a triangle always add up to 180 degrees. Okay. Now I want you to have a go at the task. And just remember, our target number is 180. Enjoy. See you later.